3155D Genie or similar belt drive garage door opener track assembly. 3155D Genie belt drive garage door opener and tube rail extension kit for taller door. Garage door opener package contains power head, electric motor, rail sections, mounting straps, curved door arm, straight door arm, wire spool, idler pulley, sprocket support assembly, wired wall console and remotes. Yellow bag of part for 5th step of installation. Orange bag of parts for 1st and 2nd step of installation. Blue bag of parts for 4th step of installation. Green bag of parts for 3rd and 5th step of installation. Powerhead light bulbs lenses. Powerhead light bulbs lenses attachment screws. Belt retainer. Carriage assembly. Belt assembly. Warning label. Instruction. Tube rail extension kit package contains header rail section, belt assembly, emergency release cord, instruction. Assemble of the garage door opener track. Open the orange part bag which contains rail strap, self-topping screw for power head and bracket support, header bracket, turnbuckle, clevis and cotter pins, bolt and lock nut, lag screws. Other parts needed. Rail sections. Header rail sections supplied are from rail extension kit, idler pulley, carriage assembly, sprocket support assembly, belt assembly supplied or from rail extension kit, belt retainer with self-tapping screws, power head. When starting, assemble the track for taller door. Switch the header rail section supplied with the header rail section from rail extension kit. Install pulley and the bolt into header rail. Slide carriage assembly onto header rail with arrow, door, pointed toward pulley in the release handle facing bolt nut. Insert all rail section together to make one long piece of rail. Insert sprocket support assembly into last section of the rail and place rail support strap over the last rail. Release handle and flat wide part of the sprocket support assembly and flat parts with holes of the rail support strap must have same facing direction. Root belt assembly gold threaded shaft around idler pulley, and silver threaded around the sprocket. Install turnbuckle onto the gold threaded end by rotating counterclockwise 1 full turn. Release the handle assembly and insert turnbuckle through the carriage. Insert silver threaded end into the turnbuckle and rotate turnbuckle counterclockwise 1 full turn. Do not twist a belt during turning. Continue turning until belt is properly tensioned. Proper belt tension. No more slack than 1/4 inch between edge of the belt and edge of the rail in the middle of track on the side of track without carriage. After belt tension is properly done, using wrenches tighten both tension nuts. This is a very important and critical point of installation. Assembled belt track for door opener. Power head. Install the door belt track with the rail strap to the power head. Belt retainer. Install belt retainer. Fully assembled belt track for door opener ready to be installed.
If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.